Alright, what is going on, guys? Scars here, or Brian, whatever you like to call me, and I'm bringing you guys the video that was kind of anticipated for a while, which is the apartment tour. Finally excited to show you guys my apartment. Don't get me wrong, it's not like fully organized the way that I would personally do it, but it's good enough, and I figured, well, let's put it in the video. I'll try not to spend too much time showing you every little detail, just kind of show you the general scope of the apartment, just get to the juicy details. So go ahead and join me, and I'll show you guys what I have. So first of all, this is my front door. We kind of come through here. Definitely a different type, but this is Latinx. This is very classic Latin American style, entrances. This is a very Peruvian style apartment too. It's not very like super modern like an American thing, and you'll notice this pretty quick. But yeah, this is my front door entrance. This is my trash bag here. I can take this out every day if I want. I think trash comes by every day. I come in here, I just have, like stuff. I can put shoes here, I put my water here. My landlord's mom basically helped me kind of set up the place, so she kind of helped me organize things, even though we had that language barrier, but she still helped me anyways. Obviously I have the fuse box or whatever for any power issues. What's different here than what I do in the US is this is the water heater. I actually have to flip this switch on about 30 minutes or an hour before I want to take a shower, just so I don't run out of hot water. So I have to do this every single time I want to take a shower. I have to flip this on, wait about 30 minutes, and then take my shower. It's no problem. Now the fridge is very modern. This is a very modern looking, modern-esque. I mean, it's definitely like, looks like stainless steel. That's not actually stainless steel, it's more plastic, but still, it's newer. It's a Samsung. So, I mean, that's definitely more of a modern fridge that I have. That's probably one of the most modern things I have in here, to be honest. So anyways, yeah, that's kind of my entrance. Coming into the kitchen, we just have a very basic microwave. I have a gas-powered stove, which is obviously powered by propane. So that's obviously different. I actually have to use a match to light the stove. So yeah, again, we're kind of going back in the technological era here. Just have some basic stuff here. One of the most important things right there. And anyways, so I have my stove. I have really yet to use this because I'm kind of confused on how to get it lit, but someone the other day showed me. I just haven't done it yet. But coming over here, I just have some basic, spices and stuff. I actually label these azúcar and sal, sugar and salt, just because, they're both in the same jar. They both look the same. We got, just the basic stuff for dishes, very basic stuff. I mean, a lot of people in the US even use this like baskets and stuff for it. No dishwasher, and not that I ever use that anyways in the US. I never care to use a dishwasher. And just more stuff here, dishes that were already here, so I just wash them and I use them, and it makes my life a lot easier. And then just a basic table in here in the kitchen area, just to have a quick meal or quick snack or whatever the case is. So yeah, this is basically the kitchen area. It's not too much to see. Over here is kind of more of the dining room area. So right here is kind of like a workstation, I guess. The sweet lady, the mom of my landlord, she basically put all this stuff here, like paper, writing utensils and stuff that I probably won't really need to use that much, but I mean, it's definitely nice to have here in the event that I need it. Out here we have a patio. So it's a little different here, obviously. See, loud noise. And you can see all the way up there. They're doing construction right now, so it's very loud outside. You might hear various noises, throughout the area. Where I live is actually a very quiet area. It's just the only thing is that, of course, anything is easily being able to be heard. So that's why you guys are probably hearing different thudding noises or whatnot, because there's a lot of construction going on here. So yeah, anyways, here's my main dining room area. I have 6 chairs set up. Very nice, actually. Very modernized looking table. And it's a very, simple dining room. I mean, it's very nice. This is definitely where I eat my meals, or if I have anybody over, I want to have a meal, this is where I kind of do that. And then they have various paintings of different places. I think one of the places, the landlord's mom is actually from one of these places that these paintings is a place called Iquitas here in Peru. So it's cool that, you got these little paintings just to have, because why not? And then I also have kind of a little upstairs area. I live on the first floor, but I do have a I do have a little upstairs area that comes into, I guess you guys could call this the family room. I just have some basic chairs set up here. I do have a sofa right here as well. Not really much in here. Maybe the plan is to put like the TV I have in my room right here, because I really don't use the TV, to be honest. I just use my phone and laptop for everything. So maybe I could put the TV here, plug it in, and I can use it for like my Switch or something. I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna go back down, and I live in a two bed and 1.5 bath place. So the half bathroom is right here, which is really nothing, to be honest. It's just a very basic bathroom. But you get the sink, you got some toilet paper, you got the toilet. I mean, it's half a bathroom, obviously, like I said. And then you got me right there. So not really much to see here, to be honest. And over here, the final little area, right here I have my bathroom. So obviously it's the full bathroom. So I already have some of my amenities set up, my sink, got the toilet, got the shower over there. Like I said, the shower thing, I have to turn on the water heater about 30 minutes to 45 minutes before using it. So it's definitely different from the US, which are just so used to being able to have the heat turn on immediately. You don't have to do anything with the water heater, it's already working. But I have like the classic Korean style noodle shower head thing, which I guess is just very popular everywhere at this point. But yeah, like I said, just pretty basic. I mean, quite a few mirrors actually in here. Very long, like horizontal mirror in here for whatever reason, but it's very useful for me. And I guess energy is expensive here in Peru, so they said always, try to turn off lights if you're not using them. I have my second bedroom here. I'll show you outside here in a minute too, but this is the second bedroom. Obviously nobody else lives here, just me, so I use this for storage in a way. The grandmother basically, or the mom of my landlord basically said to just store all my stuff in here. These are some clothes that I'm drying. They are dry now because I don't actually have a dryer. Actually, we're in the process of probably getting a dryer here, which is fantastic. But right now I'm kind of manually drying everything because I do have a washer outside. I do have a washer that I use. I don't have to hand wash things. It's like not that, we're not that simple here. We do have a washing machine, but I am using this to dry my clothes. I might invest in a fan as well, just until I possibly get a dryer here, as my landlord is trying to work with me on getting. He just said that my energy bill will go up, which is completely fine. I would much rather have a dryer though, so I can quickly dry my clothes. But there's some like various decorations here. They have some religious decorations in here, which I really obviously none of this stuff is mine. I didn't really care to move any of it. The only ones I moved was in my room because I really don't want a bunch of like random stuff hanging in my room. So I decided to kind of organize mine a little bit. But yeah, anyways, this is the spare bedroom. Not really much to see. It's very basic. Now we can go outside as well, and I can show you guys what we have out here. So this is my patio here in Lima. As you can tell, it's pretty basic. I have my washer over there. We put a cover over it just so it doesn't get wet. Obviously you don't want electronics getting exposed to all the rain and stuff out here if it does rain. But yeah, I have a little garden here. Grandma that was here, my landlord's mom, whatever. She just basically told me, hey, we can water these plants. I think she said they're watered 3 times a week. Lunes, miércoles y viernes. It's like 5 in the afternoon, 5 en la tarde. And she said just to water the plants. She even told me to talk to the plants. A little bit strange request, but I'm whatever. But yeah, pretty basic patio. And then you guys can see I have like the view of my other floors right here, and views of the other buildings around me. But it's a very tranquil, very quiet area, other than the construction during the day. So it's pretty basic. And they don't play around with the security around here. You can lock every single door in this place with like multiple locks. You have that, you can, lock it, deadlock it, and you can put another lock on top of it as well. I mean, like they really don't play around with the security here, but I just want to emphasize as well, I do live in a very safe place, so for me it's not really a big deal that I have everything locked because it doesn't matter here. And finally, I guess, is my bedroom. It's kind of a little bit of a mess right now, but yeah, just I got my internet set up for my job. Obviously, I teach English online, as some of you guys know, so it was obviously very important that I did that. Obviously, I have my bedroom I'm sorry, my bed rather. I'm assuming this is a queen size bed. It looks like a queen size. Can't really tell. Maybe it's a full size. Not very good with bed sizes. But anyways, yeah, so I mean, I just have basic amenities set up here. I put all my main electronic stuff right here, almost stripped. I have my laundry. I mostly put all that stuff in here. I put the dirty laundry there because I don't have a basket yet. That's something I want to work on getting. And yeah, I mean, it's really just pretty basic. And I don't use that TV right now because there's nothing for me to use it with. Anytime I want to watch anything, I just use my phone or my laptop and kind of go from there. So anyways, guys, like I said, I wasn't going to spend too much time on the tour of my apartment because there's not really, you know, a million things I need to show you guys. I mean, it's just a basic tour of the apartment. But I mean, if you guys did enjoy it, if you want to see anything more in detail, if you have any questions about how, you know, life is in South America, you know, in Peru specifically, because I do, as I mentioned, live in a pretty traditional Peruvian apartment. I do live in a more traditional local district in Peru as well. I don't live like directly in Miraflores. I am close to it here in Circle, which is my district, but it's a little bit, you know, definitely more on the local side. You really don't see any foreigners over here, to be honest with you. That's absolutely more in Miraflores, especially in the central part of Miraflores. So, but anyways, yeah, if you guys did enjoy the video, be sure to leave a like. Like I mentioned before, if you got any questions regarding my apartments or just life here in South America, any suggestions for future videos, because I definitely want to keep making videos. I know that I'm haven't been making too much this last week other than the 2 videos before this, but I'm still busy just getting everything set up here. And like I said, I just want to get used to the city and kind of understand, you know, differences and what's worth it for content for you guys. So, like I said, any questions, suggestions, leave them in the comment section below. If you're new, leave a like. Check out my social media in the description below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.